Hello guys, so I am at Doubletree by Hilton Campbell Center. It's near the convention center in Dallas. So when you turn over here towards the right hand side, you are in the closet in this particular room. I have the ironing board, and above I have extra comforters and of course hangers. Now the comforters I definitely don't need. It's 80 degrees out there, so it's very comfortable outside, to say the least. Now we're going to swing into the bathroom. It's your typical bathroom with a bathtub. You have the shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. All right, it has the handlebars in there for anybody who's handicapped, and then you have the nice big shower head. Okay, you have extra soap. They even give you makeup wipes, which is different, and more soap, and then this is body lotion. Here you have towels and you have hair dryer. I'm only going to be here for about 3 days, so you know what they have is just sufficient. I'm just here for the conference. And to do a couple of other stuff too, because they do have the state fair going on at the same time. Now, down here you have the water, all right? And then underneath here, in these cabinets, you have coffee maker, along with, sugar and what have you, to make your coffee. Then you have the safe and you have the refrigerator. Now, no, the room does not come with a microwave. However, there is a microwave downstairs in the market area. All right. So here you have the desk. All right. That's the food that I got that I'm going to put away. On the desk, you have, outlets that you can use. This lamp is nice, but I don't exactly know how to turn it off. I know there's a switch somewhere, but I'll figure it out, find out later where it is. That's the TV. This is the king size bed. You have dressers. I checked the drawers. There's nothing in there. You have the telephone. That's the remote control over there. I believe that is supposed to be a clock, but I don't really use it anyway. I use my cell phone. Okay. And then scooch over here. This is it's a chair, but it's one of those big chairs that you could probably sleep in if you had, sneak somebody up here. These are benches that, sometimes people don't want to sit on the bed, so they'll sit on the bench. Now, the view, because it is late at night, okay, I can get a little bit of a view here, but it's probably going to be better in the daytime. It'll probably be better in the daytime. I can't see what's going on below. I mainly see a reflection of the room when I look through the window. Unfortunately, one thing the room does not have is a full-length mirror. So I don't look as wonderful as I'd like, but I don't look bad either. Okay, so let's start from bottom to the top. At the bottom, you have my purple sneakers. I was just feeling the color, and I decided to wear it. Then you have my purple pants. Then you have my purple shirt. Okay, now I'm gonna go back so that you guys can get a full length view. So the pants have pockets. The shirt has 2 breast pockets, and then the vest has multiple pockets. Why did I dress this way? It's a cheat code. You see, sometimes when you're walking around with the luggage, they say, oh, your luggage is too heavy, right? you're going to actually, they'll either try to charge you more money, or they'll say, you know, you're going to have to lighten up the load. So what I do is, to lighten up the load, because I'm not paying extra money for the weight, is I'll put the stuff in my pockets, either my pants pocket, my shirt pocket, and then the vest pocket. This vest has about 4 pockets to it. You can find, I got this actually at Temu, but all of the sites sell, you know, something either the same or similar, meaning you can get it at Amazon, or you could go into a regular store like Macy's and you could buy something similar that has a lot of pockets on it. And when you put that on, again, you can hide stuff. This is a light vest. It's not heavy. So even though it's 80 degrees, it wasn't like too warm. You know what I'm saying? I wore this actually underneath my raincoat. And my raincoat was short, and my raincoat also had pockets. I don't feel like putting it on right now. Now, the other thing is, I have a purple headband here to hold the hair. And then we had to stop in Walmart and get one of those scrunchies or hair clips, because this hair is really very, very long. Like, it goes all the way down to my buttonka. And it was inconvenient. Now I understand why people don't wear their hair this long anymore. However, I did my best as far as trying to pin it up, trying to wear it up so that it's not so, you know, far down. And it's all right. All right. It's all right as far as the style is concerned. But yeah, they don't have a full length mirror, but this is going to be the mirror. Unfortunately, when the sun is out, of course, I'm not going to have any idea what I'm going to look like, because they don't have one. So that is my only flaw or fault that I find with this hotel so far. But otherwise, I like it. It's clean. It's neat. It's somewhat modern. Oh, yes. And then the other thing is, as far as transportation, they do provide a shuttle that can take you to one particular train station, which is near North Park Mall, I believe is the name of the place. Again, I just arrived. I did a little research before coming here, though. And that train, you can take that all the way to either airport, either the Love Airport or DFW. It's up to you. It's your choice. Okay. What else did I want to share? And you can also, I believe it's the orange line and the red line. I believe those are the trains that you can take it to. As far as walking around, I didn't really see a whole lot when it comes to just, you know, walking around the place. You have to be careful, because there are certain places, from what I saw, where there was no sidewalk. So yeah, you're going to be, if you stay here, which is near the convention center, if you stay at this particular hotel, you will need to rely either on a shuttle, or you might want to rent a car. All right, so guys, and luckily my friend has a car. She lives here, so I'm good to go. Anyway, I'm going to meet her again, so I'm going to have to let you guys go. And hopefully you'll enjoy your day, and you'll stay tuned for more of my time out here in Dallas. Okay, guys, so this is the view that I have out of my window. I couldn't see it last night. It was just a reflection of what was in the room. So I just figured I'd show you. I am not sure what this area is, to be honest with you. I'm on the 2nd floor and it's enclosed. But yeah, this is my view. Not much going on here. But at least I have the proper privacy that is needed for a good night's sleep in this hotel. Now, The other thing I need to correct myself is I thought that there was no mirrors. Excuse the place because I came in late, didn't tidy up. So I said that, you know, there wasn't a full-length mirror. So they do have this mirror here. And outfit check, I have this purple top from Temu, and then a purple skirt that I don't even remember where I got it from. All right, but they do have a full-length mirror that I will show you, and that it was behind the door here. So because I didn't see behind the door, I didn't use the bathroom and close the door, I left it open. That's why I did not know there was a full-length mirror. So yeah, there is. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to do a correction. There's also a mirror here too. I guess people who want to shave their face or whatever, this is what they use. Okay, all right, and now the room is complete.